Hello everyone, Namaste and a very warm welcome to the 7th Google for India. The last 7 years have been an incredible journey to all of us here at Google in India. We have developed a deeper understanding and appreciation of what it means to drive digital transformation in a country with over 1.3 billion people. We started with an India-focused approach, and today we are an India-first company.
We've been able to connect people with access to information where and when they need it, something that's been at the heart of Google's mission ever since our founding. We're announcing the first ever Google Assistant-enabled end-to-end vaccination booking flow in India.
I'm here to guide you through a step-by-step process to register and book a vaccine appointment. To share instructions in your preferred language, select one of the following. टीका लगवाने का अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करने के लिए सदस्य चुनें। ऊपर दिए गए बॉक्स में पिन कोड या जिले का नाम डालकर टीकाकरण केंद्र खोजें। ये चुनें कि कौन सा टीका लगवाना है। टीका लगवाने के लिए अपने पसंद का समय चुनें। आपने टीका लगवाने के लिए अपॉइंटमेंट बुक कर लिया है।
आज मैं आपको दिखाता हूं कि हमारी टीम एक ऐसी इनिशिएटिव पे काम कर रही है जिसे आप आसानी से हिंदी में और भी इंफॉर्मेशन प्राप्त कर सकें। बस टैप करो और देखो आपके अपने लैंग्वेज में या फिर ओरिजिनल लैंग्वेज में। This feature is now available in 5 Indian languages.
Google and Jio share the belief that everyone in India should be able to access an affordable smartphone and benefit from the opportunities the internet creates. The JioPhone Next, created with Google, is built on an optimized version of Android operating system and the Play Store.
Technology can reimagine learning and push the boundaries of what is possible so that everyone has access to the quality learning experiences they deserve. This week, we are launching features to make the classroom offline experience seamless. Students can now download study materials whenever they have access to the internet and work on it later. Teachers can also easily review assignments, share feedback, and add grades from anywhere.
Google is developing a range of climate-related efforts in India. We have partnered with the Indian Meteorological Department to launch weather alerts for extreme climatic conditions.
We believe AI can address complex challenges and meaningfully improve people's lives. That's why we are supporting 18 projects in India with non-profits and academics in the areas of public health, conservation, and agriculture.
The last 1.5 years have changed all aspects of our lives. The way we interact, work, learn, buy our daily essentials, and indeed the way we pay. We are now adding a cool new feature to make groups even more useful: bill splitting. So I'm happy to share कि English का option early 2022 में Google Pay पर available होगा. This is another of our features that is specially made for India. And Google Pay will be the first app at Google to have the English option. I am delighted to announce the My Shop feature on Google Pay for Business, which will be available later this month. My Shop on GPay for Business lets merchants seamlessly and quickly create their own online storefronts within minutes. My Shop also enables merchants to become visible to hundreds of millions of users on Google Search and Maps and even social media.
The ubiquity of the smartphone has democratized content creation, and that's why we launched YouTube Shorts in India first. YouTube Shorts already sees over 15 billion daily views globally, with India being a major contributor to those numbers.
We are introducing a focused program with Google Career Certificates that will help fresh graduates pick up high-demand skills. Working together with Coursera, we are looking to reach over 1 million people in next 2 years. In addition, we'll provide scholarships for 1 lakh students for these courses and connect them with job opportunities through a consortium of companies.
Today, we are announcing a partnership with Small Industries Development Bank of India, SIDBI, to help fulfill our $15 million commitment to MSMEs in India.
Through the Google for India Digitization Fund, we will invest 75,000 crore rupees over the next 5 to 7 years.
Clearly, a lot can change in just 1 year.
Google's contributions, not just with the investments but also with its technology and platforms, can accelerate the adoption of digital to well beyond the 80 crore Indians who are online. I am pleased with Google's focus on driving India first launches and the progress that Google has made on delivering on their promises.
The road to an Atmanirbhar Bharat and Digital India will be a much shorter one if we continue to work together in this journey to skill India and provide our youth easy access to opportunities to better prepare themselves for the digital workforce.
We greatly appreciate your interest to understand the work we are doing in India and look forward to your support and partnership as we work towards shaping the future of an inclusive digital India. Thank you.